What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel for another video on the GTI. So be excited, all you GTI guys. There was a good response to the last video. We've got another part from Bevinsee to install today. Really been happy with the stuff that they sent last time and the stuff that we installed in the last video. Super happy with it. So let me just show you guys real quick. All right, if you don't remember, we did a deep clean on the GTI engine bay and it's still looking really fresh, really nice. There's like a bunch of Saharan dust that's coming, so I'm sure it's gonna be all ruined anyways, but we did the CNC coolant cap, we did the CNC oil cap, and they look sick. The engine looks sick. The whole car is just sick. The outdoor temperature is not sick. Absolutely hate that. But it is Texas, so this is just something that happens once a year. I'd much rather, like you guys in the Northeast, I would much rather go through a winter season and be able to work on my cars in the garage and be cold, rather than go through a summer season and just hate my life, because that's exactly what's happening right now. But we need to get these parts installed. We need to get this car back on the road, back to the way that it should be performing, because it is my daily, it's my GTI, and the car deserves so much more. I've got another set of really cool parts to put on the car next. So we've been doing 3 GTI videos now, which is way more than we have in the last year. And I'm really excited about it. So I'm gonna jump to the bench, get the parts out. We'll show you what we're installing and what it's for, and then we'll get to getting them on the car. And like I said, this video is sponsored by Bevinsee. Bevinsee makes a lot of cool parts that are super affordable for all of your Euro stuff. And this is just another one of their awesome products that they have for Mk7 GTIs, Golfs, Rs, you know, check your application obviously, but most of the VW stuff kind of fits. And these are some beautifully CNC'd red anodized subframe braces for GTIs. And these go underneath the car, so you won't ever see them, but it is nice to know that you've got some pretty parts under the car. It also comes with a set of new hardware, which is super important because these bolts on the GTI and the nuts and everything are like stretched to fit. So when you torque them down, you want to replace the bolts. So they give you all new bolts for underneath the car, which is great as well. Super excited on that. Only a few little things here, so it should be easy. I always regret saying that, but we're gonna be jacking up the car, climbing around underneath, getting these installed. All right, so far this really has been pretty easy. So here's the old one, just a piece of stamped steel, and then our new CNC aluminum anodized Bevinsee part. Way nicer looking. Obviously it's just OEM compared to this, but super light, flimsy. I don't even know what gauge metal that is, but it's very thin, especially compared to the parts that we're putting in. So I'm gonna throw this in. We're just jumping underneath the car here. I'm gonna get the other one off, and then we should be good to go to take it to a little test drive. Okay, we've got both installed now. They fit great. They're very tight fit, so you know that they're gonna be providing all the bracing that we need, better than OEM, and that is what we like to see. I'm really just quite tired of laying on the ground already. It's so hot out here, it's so hot. But yeah, use code JR11 for 11% off your order at bevinsee.com. Link is obviously down in the description as well. But I think we need to go take it for a drive. So I'm gonna cool off for a minute and let's go do it. Alrighty. And like I said, it's like 1,000,000 degrees out, so hopefully you guys don't hear the air conditioning. I will say, I feel a little bit more NVH, or noise, vibration, harshness, I guess you're gonna call it. Maybe a little tiny bit more. I don't know, I drive this car every day, so any small change, I'm probably gonna be able to tell that something's different. So maybe a tiny bit of extra vibration in the car, but certainly nothing like adding a new like subframe bushing. I can't remember what they're called. The dog bone mount? Yeah, it's not like that, but a little bit more vibrating, which I don't complain about because I like to feel my cars. Like, you know how you like spicy food? You kind of want your food to bite back a little bit, you know? I kind of like my cars to touch me back, if that makes any sense at all, what I just said. And yeah, that'll be changing soon, so stay tuned for that. I do really love this car very much. It's so fun. And I also want to add that if you guys are longtime viewers of the channel, you'll know that we've done lots of bracing upgrades to this car already with like the rear X bar, the front strut bar, the rear sway bar. There's other underbody bracing as well. I'm not gonna say that this is like the end all be all, but if you're already doing the subframe braces, check out Bevinsee's other underbody bracing, because they have options for those of you guys who don't have all the bracing that I do. So you can pick up all of their stuff and you'll be good. You'll be feeling, the car will feel just like mine, and I love the way this feels. This car really does sound sick. We will address the exhaust at some point because it needs some help for sure, but God, people don't know how to drive here at all. This is stupid. So like side-to-side motion, if you've already got a stiffer suspension, you're not gonna feel it in the suspension. It's the overall car. Like I said, there's a little bit more of a vibration, but it's nothing really bad at all. But I will say the front end has a little bit more of a stiffness to it. It's not super substantial, but like I said, I've already got body bracing and things like that, so I'm surprised to feel this doing anything at all. I mean, I like it. I'm not complaining. It's what I want. like I said, I like my cars to give me a feeling. Even if it is a daily driver, this is still pretty comfortable to drive to work in every day, but I like to have that little bit of like a performance feel to the car, and it definitely does that. People in this state really just, they literally cannot. All right, so with that, we're gonna go ahead and close this video out. I love the new subframe braces. Thank you again to Bevinsee for sending these and your other products. Like I said, JR11 for 11% off your order, and definitely go check them out. Links are down in the description below. So if you are new to the channel and you love the GTI content, definitely go and check out the other videos on this car. I've got tons and tons of stuff on the whole process of what we've been working on. And stay tuned, subscribe, because we've got some new parts coming for the GTI. In the next video, we're gonna be doing more. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be awesome. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, hit the subscribe button, go down below, leave your comments, and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one.